Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Ali and today I'm with one and only Abbas Baig. Abbas bhai, how are you?
Assalamu alaikum Ali, nice to see you.
GTA के अंदर जितने भी आर्टिस्ट आते हैं उनकी इमिग्रेशन आप ही करते हैं, जितने भी सेलिब्रिटीज़ आते हैं जो भी. So आज अब्बास भाई के साथ हैं कि अब पाकिस्तान से और जहाँ कहीं से भी अब्बास भाई जो लोग अप्लाई, आई नो कि अब बहुत रिस्ट्रिक्शंस हो गई हैं, प्रोग्राम्स बंद हो रहे हैं, सो अब लोगों के पास और क्या ऑप्शंस हैं अप्लाई करने के लिए.
Thank you Ali Bhai for coming to my office.
Thank you.
My name is Abbas Baig, the founder of Baig Law Firm. We do immigration law, personal injury, franchise law, and real estate law. Background, I was born and raised in Hamilton, Ontario, moved to Mississauga when I was, I think, 20 years old. So all my education's been here. I went to law school here. I have two boys, happily married.
And he has also so many businesses. This is not only his one business.
Yeah, so we have a couple of indoor playgrounds. Ali, you came to the opening.
Yeah, mashallah.
To answer your question, immigration has become very difficult in the last 6 months.
Yes.
We have hope with the new Liberal government, the new Mark Carney government, that immigration is going to get easier.
Yeah.
But my number one advice to people who are looking to come to Canada to visit or immigrate to Canada is talk to a lawyer, because there's a lot of, what I want to focus on today is there's a lot of immigration fraud.
Yes.
There's consultants or agents. Not all licensed consultants are bad, but consultants don't go through the same type of training as lawyers do. So
exactly.
There's a lot of consultants and agents in Pakistan and all over Asia, Middle East, who are literally taking money from people and promising them work permits, LMIAs, immigration, and then those applications are not processed, and those consultants and agents run away. So the number one thing, I understand that immigration has become very difficult, but you should find a good immigration lawyer, like myself, for example.
That's why we are here for you.
Like myself, who can, guide people through the process. So it doesn't matter if it's student visas, if it's refugee claims, if it's LMIAs, labor market impact assessment for businesses. Talk to a good immigration lawyer.
What are the possibilities for now, like as a student visa, immigration, family visa, so how people can apply to Canada in 2025?
Yeah, so you have to make sure that you meet the eligibility requirements.
Yeah.
Okay, so for example, just even on a basic level, as you said in the beginning, I do a lot of celebrities. So what we do first is we assess the celebrity. It doesn't matter if you're a Shah Rukh Khan, then you for sure are getting a visa to Canada.
Exactly.
But if you're like, a celebrity who's just up and coming, you have to do the assessment for the artist to show the government, look, this artist has so many followers, they've done so many events. We bring in the host, for example, the promoters or whoever's bringing the artist to Canada. We provide the booking, venue information. We provide the contract, how much the promoter or the host here is paying the artist. We put together a media kit, or we ask the host for a media kit, or even the artist's manager for a media kit, to show the government how big this event will be, or how important this artist is, for the event. If you're looking to immigrate to Canada, you have your standard express entry program. So you have the federal skilled worker program, where if you're 34 and under, you are professional, you have the education, if you have the work experience, you can come to Canada. We all know that the score has gone up significantly, but in the hopes, and again, of the Mark Carney Liberal government, is that the point system is going to come down, and a lot of those young professionals that we've seen come to Canada in the last 20 years are going to continue to come. So the Express Entry program is an ideal program to come to Canada. As I said before, in addition to immigration law, we also do franchise law, personal injury law, and real estate law. Not a lot of people in our community, I believe, do franchise law, and I say that our community is expanding rapidly. We have young entrepreneurs, young business people who are looking to expand their businesses and start to franchise. This is something that I also advise on. So let's say you own, I don't know, a fried chicken location, you own one location or two location. My law firm can help you build the franchise system, so you can start getting investors to invest in your franchise. And this is how immigration also plays a role, right? Because you have investors like in Pakistan, for example, who want to come and invest. They can get into a business here, and the franchisor can, help with the program.
Perfect. He's the only guy who can help you to come to Canada.